We're gonna create a super cute Valentine's Day abstract lava lamp kind of vibe. We're gonna start with Boysenberry Candy by Kokoist, 2 coats, cure between coats, and then adding Strawberry Latte from Kokoist. And I'm just kind of filling in the smaller area with my detail brush and using the thin round brush to fill in the larger area. Finessing that because I accidentally grabbed my B Squad liner brush and made it a little harder for myself. Okay, found the A Squad liner brush. And this is F Gel number 2. It's a really pretty coral color. And when you see the difference between how the lighter pink applies and the coral applies, you really see the difference between how a potted gel and a bottle gel can operate in a design. Now I'm gonna go in with my number 53 F Gel color and my Kokoist dotting tool and just create some intentional abstract-y kind of blobs. Using both sides of my dotting tool to get variation in the size of the blobs. And then we're gonna make at the bottom a little amorphous style blobby upwards drip thing. I like it, it kind of gives more of that lava lamp effect. And then adding a couple more dots to that and make sure that's fully cured. Here's a pro tip when you end up with a design that's a little bit more raised. So you're gonna do a slip layer with your top gel. This is Ultra Glossy by Kokoist. And then go in with a slightly thicker second coat and really let that self-level. You can flip it upside down if you need to and make sure it looks really nice before you put it in the lamp. Here's the finished look with an idea of how I would style it on multiple nails. Product info and affiliate codes are linked below. As always, thank you for your support.